Welcome back to the bench press mobility video. So in this video I'm going to go over what are a few drills you can do to improve your mobility for your bench press that will make you as powerful and efficient as possible in the bench press. If you've watched other videos in this series, you know I'm going to talk about the T-spine. The T-spine is your vertebrae, but it's the middle section of that vertebrae. If you do not have the ability to really extend your mid-back, you're missing out on a lot of really positive leverages. So I've got 3 drills that are going to improve that, and improving that T-spine mobility will put you in a stronger position to press and a safer position for your shoulder. The first drill is called a cat-cow. In a cat-cow, you are going from a quadruped position, so that means hands are going to be right beneath your shoulders and your knees will be stacked right beneath your hips. From this position, you can imagine that there's somebody who's sticking their thumb up underneath you and you're running away from that thumb as you reach your upper back towards the ceiling. As you're reaching your upper back towards the ceiling, I like to take a big breath in, so you might feel a bigger stretch through that back when you're doing that. So reach that upper back towards the ceiling and then drop all the way down like somebody's putting their finger again behind your mid back and you're running away from it. You could think open heart or tall chest as you're coming to the bottom position. And really what you're doing is you're working that spine back and forth, and over time, if you repeatedly do this, you're going to increase your ability to flex and extend your spine for the bench press. I would perform this movement 10 times each way for 2 sets. So 2 sets of 10 reps each way. The second exercise is called a quadruped rotation. So again, you're going to be in quadruped position, so knees stacked below hips and wrists stacked below shoulders. Put one hand behind your head and you're going to reach that elbow across the body as you rotate into the body. And you're going just as far as you can control, and then you're going to open up. So try and look up at the ceiling as you open your chest and rotate to the outside. Go as far as you can. You might feel like you hit a wall, and that's just fine. Just like your spine does flexion and extension, it also rotates. So this is improving your ability to rotate that spine, and it would eventually, if you did this repeatedly, increase your mobility in that T-spine. I would perform 2 sets of 10 reps on each side with this one as well. The third exercise is just foam rolling for your thoracic spine. So find a fairly stiff foam roller that you can place right on your mid-back. Your mid-back will be below your neck, so you should not be up in your neck with the foam roller. You also shouldn't be on your lumbar spine, just like in the picture that we're showing you right here. So place that foam roller somewhere in that range, and then you're going to need to get your shoulder blades out of the way. So my shoulder blades might be covering up my ability to get to the spine with the foam roller. So you can hug yourself or reach your hands as far out in front of yourself just to access that spine. And then you're going to perform extension and flexion over that foam roller, again to promote freeing up additional range of motion. I would do 1 set of 10 reps each way at 3 different spots. So you do 10 reps from maybe the lower thoracic spine, 10 reps from the middle of the thoracic spine, and 10 reps from around the upper ranges of that thoracic spine. Just like any other mobility work, 1 session's not going to do wonders. You're not going to experience crazy changes with 1 session, and I wouldn't spend more than 5 minutes doing mobility work during any given workout. But it is something that you'd have to repeat consistently to reap long-term benefits. So if you really want to improve your extension through your thoracic spine for a bench press, which will make you stronger and decrease the range of motion you have to travel in a bench press, I would perform this before every upper body day in the gym. You could perform these things before any workout. So the more frequency, the quicker you're going to see results with these drills. And that is really it when it comes to your mobility work when it comes to your bench press. There might be some lower body soft tissue work that you could do as well, but I really focus on the thoracic spine. That's where you get the most bang for your buck when it comes to improving your mobility for the bench press. It's gonna make you stronger and a safer presser. So those are the drills that I would do. And let us know what kind of content you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe, you know what to do. Smash it! Smash it! Come on, smash it!